all the judges. I will go randomly for rest of it. Okay. So thank you. I'm going to please, you can go to the backstage with a thank you. You can leave the studio for now. So I'm going to bring our next guy, our next finalist. I'm going to find him very soon. So that's Noman Dhoni. Hello. Hi, Noman. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. You are audible. Okay. I'm going to add your screen to the stream and your time starts now.
Yes. Greetings, everyone. I am Noman Dhoni. In this Hackfest organized by Showcase, we are two contributors. We made an awesome project for the Hackfest 2023. Today, I will be showing you that, and let's introducing you to the Showwand, the great magical extension that will help you to save your time and unleash the full potential of Showwand by saving you a lot of time. Okay, so here are some key features you can if you use this extension. So first of all, you can save your API key for later usage. Quick share, I will give you a demo about this, and Showcase ID Finder from Twitter and LinkedIn ID Finder from Twitter. Also, we have some more features. You can create post, you can see your recent post from my post. Also, you can see feeds, your profile, and without any further delay, let's begin the demo. You can save it API key. So let me show you that. So after installing this extension, just click on this extension and this page will appear. If you don't have any API key, just click on this button to get your Showcase API key. I already have my API key. So I am just pasting this. Okay, sorry. I'm having some issues. So let me just get my API key. Okay, I am pasted this, and after submit, and this will authenticate me in the extension. If you want to use the later, you don't have to enter every time. Okay, so let's go to the next feature. Our next feature is quick share. So let me just show you the demo how this works. Okay, say for example you went through Twitter and you found something worth sharing with the 100,000 developer community in Showcase. You just say for example this is an awesome news for our Node.js developer. The Node.js 20 version release. Just select this text and with this post to Showwand button, and you can just click it, and this will create a thread in your Showcase profile. So let me just show you that. So as you can see here, this is the post uh, from that extension. Okay, so let me just go to the next feature, that is Showcase ID Finder. Say for example you went through Twitter or LinkedIn, you want to find someone's Showcase profile. So you can see this logo for Twitter. Also you can see the button for LinkedIn in the Showcase. So let me just show you that. Okay, say for example I went to a wrong profile. So as you can see here, this button appear if that person have an Showcase ID. So if I want to click on this button, this will directly move, this will redirect me to that person's Showcase ID. Also this function works for LinkedIn. As you can see here, wrong already have an Showcase ID. That's why this button appeared on his profile. So if I click on this button, this will take me to his Showcase ID. So moving to the next feature. So now next feature is create post. So let me just show you the demo. And I'm after clicking this, you can this after clicking this extension, this page will appear. You can write your post title here. I am doing a demo. If you want to add this current URL to that post, just check mark this and click on the post, and this will post the thread in your Showcase profile. And let me refresh this. As you can see here, this directly appear on your Showcase profile. So let me just move to the next feature. Okay, our next feature is my post. You can see your recent post in this section. Say for example, you posted a lot of thread in Showcase. You can see your recent posted thread in Showcase. Okay, these are the recent posts you posted in Showcase. Also, you can interact with this post. You can boost this. Also, you can unboost this post if you want. Okay, that's it. Also, you can clicking on this button post. This will directly move you to the Showcase. And moving to the next feature, that is feeds. Okay, let me just show you that. This is the feed section. The feed section, say for example, it works like timeline. And if you follow someone in Showcase, and if they share some post in Showcase, and that post will appear in here. Also, same thing goes for this. You can boost this. Also, if you want, you can unboost this. Yep, that's the fits feature. Also, moving to the next feature, that is your profile. You can see your profile info, statistics, or your follower number, following threads created, your resume link, custom domain, and all will appear in your Showcase profile section. If you want, you can click this button to log out from the extension. And if I click on this button, this will redirect me to the custom domain I have for Showcase. Also, you can download your resume from link. Also, this is our GitHub repository link. If you want to see the code, feel free to do so. And we are looking forward to improve this extension. If you want, you can contribute to this extension. And that's all from my side. That are the features. But this browser, our browser extension supports all Chromium browsers, including Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and Brave. And download our extension today. And that's it at this point. Google knows what Showwand is. Why don't you try this out? Yep, that's all from my side. I am moving to the Tapash.
All right. Great work. So is it open source? You kept it as open source. Anybody can contribute,
Yes,
or is it
I
like?
kept it open source from the first day.
Okay, awesome. Great. All right, so we'll move to judges very quickly. I know Indra, you need to drop off, so I'll go to you first, and maybe after that, I will go to Natasha, and then we'll go to the next participant. Okay. So let's go to Indra once first.
Yeah, I think for the show one that we can embed into the LinkedIn like that, like you can add the button to some other website. I think that is a good idea to like quickly jump into your profile, the showcase profile. Yeah, but I don't know if it can works in the long run because like having that have enabling the custom button into another website still rely to that website as well. So if that website change the code, you also need to change your code. So it is very tricky.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right.
It is super tricky lah. I know because I also do scraping all the time. Yeah,
So
and
he's
then
talking from experience.
yes. And outside of that, I think the base, the idea is good, but yeah, I think just like that. I don't know if it can last for the long run, and that's it.
Okay, thanks, Aditya. So thanks, Indra, for your comment. Norman, I hope you got it. And anyway, you can catch Indra anytime offline as well if you want more feedback from him. Natasha wants quick feedback from you before we go to the next one.
Yeah, hi Norman. Thanks so much for your application. It's the extension is really clean. I like that. It's really to the point. You've identified few key, the minimum features that you know are needed by developers, and just kind of like made the interface really clean. You know, the text box just occupies everything, and you allow very easy access to copy and paste things. And I really liked all of that. That it's so straight and clean to the point. Just a small note. I was reading your blog post. I really appreciated the see that the emphasis on security through using local storage to store the API key. I also think it's a really clever architecture for an MVP, so you're not spinning up a server to have to like develop. It's really pretty static if you think about it that way. Although I do want to point out a little bit that storing on local storage might not be technically very cyber secure, but I totally understand the standpoint that it removes that it removes your liability as a product creator from having to store the data. But server-side storage, I think it's still like the gold standard. But totally understand this is an MVP. I do think it's really clever that you opted for this instead of like going full blown. Let's do a server, boom, and then you realize, oh wait, what if people don't actually want to store the API keys? So this is really fantastic that you thought of it. This is truly a minimum viable product. I want to make it open source and I want to continue iterating on it. So that's fantastic. So thank you so much, Noman.
Thank you too.
All right. Thank you, Noman. So judges, please score. And I'm going to bring the next finalist and, we'll again talk. So please go back to backstage as you did before. Indra, if you can stay back for one more, please stay back. Or if you have to, you're hard pressing on time. Yeah. Thank you very much for doing this. All right. Thank you, Noman. Yeah, you can drop off.